Hey guys, I just wanted to show you my beautiful puppy. I actually have 3 of them, but 2 of them are in my room right now. So yeah, her name is Allie and his name is Rocky, and I have another dog named Grace. So yeah, here they are right now. Look at him, he's so cute. Rocky, Rock, get him. And that's Alley Cat with Asian Ridgeback. Look at her. She's so cutie. She's getting old. She's 6. So cute. Allie. Allie. Say hi to YouTube. Say hello. Mwah. She says hello. Yeah. He's so cute. Say hello, puppy. Yeah, we have 2 Rhodesian Ridgebacks and Rocky. A Rottweiler. I think that's what they're called. Rottweilers. Yeah, they are. Serious. Rocky! Rocky! Hey, Dibit. This is your time to shine. Come on. There you go. Oh, such a retard dog. Such a retard. Hey, Alley Cat. Alley, come here. Come here. Oh, you're so cute. Wait. He's actually really grumpy sometimes. He growls. You watch. Oh, he's not growling. What are you doing? Ugh. Look at that. Look at that nose. You lick the camera. What are you eating? Dish, dog. Oh my gosh. Say hi to YouTube, guys. Say hello, people. The hello. The hello. Okay. Because that is enough. She wants out. Okay, fine. Wait. Wait. Oh gosh. Talk about realness. Okay, so those are my dogs. I think I should bring the other one out. You know, I'll show you her on another show. So yeah. I just wanted you to see my pups. They're so cute. I'm getting old. Well, Rocky is like 1, I think, or 2. And Allie's 6. And Grace is 6. They're the same age. But yeah. So, like if you like my puppies. Give them joy. So yeah. And comment if you want to. It'd be so awesome to get at least 1 comment. But yeah. Because I just started this like yesterday, so yeah. Okay, bye. Adios.